Welcome friends, my name is Chaudhary MM. In this tutorial, I will show you how to calculate break-even point, then profit, then sales total number of input values, and draw a break-even analysis chart, problem statement, then introduce one by one number of terms. Okay, so see here, a pen manufacturing company, following details: fixed cost rupees 40,000, variable cost is 2 rupees per unit, and selling price is 10 rupees per unit. Calculate break even point. Second, profit when sales are 1 lakh rupees, and third number, sales when it is desirable to earn profit of 30,000 rupees. See here, there is one table. Okay, in this table, column is a particular and second column is the amount in rupees. So what is the variable cost? Variable cost is a 2 rupees. Okay, then second is selling price is a 10 rupees per unit, and fixed cost is a 40,000. Start one by one. Okay, number of unit, initially we assume as a zero production. Fixed cost, so there is a fixed cost is equal to this 40,000. So this cell we fix it, so press F4, enter. Then variable cost, so this variable cost 2 rupees, but this 2 rupees per unit. Okay, so is equal to this variable cost, then multiply number of unit, then in that this variable cost per unit, again I will freeze here by using a F4 key and then enter. Next one is a total cost. So total cost is a summation of or addition of these two terms, means fixed cost and variable cost. Now next, revenue in term of rupees. Okay, so revenue means total amount earned, so is equal to revenue selling price multiply total number of unit sold. So in that, this selling price is a 10 rupees per unit, so I will again go to here, and this I7 cell fix here. Why? Because there is a freeze. Next, profit and loss is equal to revenue minus total cost. Okay, so table is done now. So click here, go to fill, series, then series in a column. Okay, what is the step value? So step value is a 500 and stop value is a 26,000 suppose. Then click on OK. So select this and go to corner and autofill. Next, so break-even point, it means the point reaches when two prices are equal. So where is the two values are similar? See here. Okay, so this row, go to here, I will highlight it. Okay, and color is suppose red, dark red. This is a first answer. Total cost in term of rupees is a 50,000, revenue in term of rupees 50,000. So both values are similar, equal. So there is a break-even point. Okay, and how much number of unit produced? 5,000. So let's check by using a formula. Is equal to first one is a fixed cost divided by margin of contribution. So margin of contribution means selling price minus variable cost. Value is 5,000 in term of unit. So see here, break-even point in term of units is a 5,000. Okay, similarly calculate break-even point in term of in a rupees or in a dollar. Calculate fixed cost multiply selling price. Okay, then divide by margin of contribution. So margin of contribution means selling price minus variable cost. So break-even point in term of rupees is the 50,000. So see here, this is the total value is the 50,000. So I will put here in term of unit. So total unit produced is a 5,000 for calculating a break-even point. So there is a negative value indicate and there is a non-negative value. So negative value indicated as the loss value and this positive value indicated as the profit value. Now next term is a profit when sales are rupees 1 lakh. So profit when sales, how much sales? 1 lakh. So go to revenue and check 1 lakh rupees value. Okay, so see here there is 1 lakh. So this row again I will highlight it here. What is the question asking for a profit? Okay, so profit value is a 40,000 in term of rupees. Okay, so 40,000. Now next term is calculate sales when it is a desirable to earn a profit of a rupees 30,000. So we calculate a 30,000 profit earned when how much unit sales. Okay, so check out here. There is a two value 28,000 and 32,000 profit value, but there is no 30,000 value. So we select these two terms 28 and 32. Okay, then put here suppose anywhere you can want. Okay, so go to head and copy this heading here, paste. Okay, wrap text, number of unit, then second term is a fixed cost, next term is a variable cost, then the total cost and revenue, and last one is a P and L means profit and loss. Okay, but there is a value, there is two value 28,000 and 32,000. So we calculate intermediate value in between us. So this value again cut and paste here, and this term autofill here, and okay, so this value is unknown value. Okay, so we calculate how much number of units we have to sold, then we have to achieve 30,000 profit. So select here and go to data, then what if analysis, go to goal seek. So what is the goal seek? So goal seek is find out the targeted value. So set a sale. So set a sale here means a profit and loss. What is the value required? 30,000. And by changing sale, where is the changing sale? This one means how much number of units we have to sold. Click on and OK. So wait, sometimes they have to iterative number of terms. So total profit and loss is 30,000. So then we have to achieve a revenue is 87,500 and number of units sold is 8,750. So this value in between us, these both two parameters. So value in terms of suppose unit. Why? Because I have already put here is the in term of break-even point in term of unit. So again write here 8750 and earn a profit of rupees 30,000. Okay. So next process is creating a break-even analysis chart. Okay. So first select cost, total cost and revenue. Then select all terms or all values. Go to insert line chart, okay, drag it over here, and okay, next. Okay, so chart title is analysis, break-even analysis. Okay, then all term is black, suppose, sorry, blue here, so black. Now this select, go to design, and outline shape is suppose a red, this one is a blue. Okay, now this value, okay, I will change here, go to design, select data, and total cost, edit. So in revenue, select, okay, see here value is produced now. Okay, next one is insert text box here. Okay, so here name is a revenue, okay, then color is a red, dark, no outline, no fill. Similarly, next line indicated as total cost, okay, so color is blue. Okay, next term is this region called as a profit. Okay, this is a black color, and this region called as loss. Okay, and last remaining term show this point, okay, that point is called as a break even point. And shape of outline, no outline, shape of effect, okay, choose any one effect you want, then blue, no, sorry, green, center, bold. Okay, so this point, and okay, so here you done now. Okay, so check here. Okay, so this value revenue point is 50,000, and total cost is 50,000. This is called as a break-even point. Okay, so that's it. This is a basic calculation and basic drawing a chart by using Excel software. Okay, I hope you like or enjoy it. Thank you very much.